Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Ellie.
Ellie is working on this song called The Bones, and there's a spot in the chorus. Is that me? That was a weird sound. There's a spot in the chorus with a big leap. It's over an octave, so that's tricky to remember. So here's one clue. For some reason it's easier to do will blow. So can you do that? Will blow. And then that's exactly the same as it rain. It rain. Just hit the rain, okay? It rain. Let's do that 3 times. It rain. It rain. And then let's add in the fancy part. It rain. And again. It rain. It rain. Good. And then that is almost the same as the next little phrase. The same. It's not as big of a jump, but pretty big. So let's do that again. The same. Just hit the same.
Okay, same.
The same. The same. The same. So all 3 of those parts we just did, the high pitch is a B natural, so it's great to recognize that pitch so you can land right on it. So let's do same with all the little ornamentation. Here we go. The same. 2 more times. The same. Once more. The same. So let's go all the way back to let it rain. Okay. Let it rain, 'cause you and I remain the same. Let's do that again 2 more times. Let it rain, 'cause you and I remain the same. And again. Let it rain, 'cause you and I remain the same. Great. And then here it is with just like the chords. Let's start at the glass. The glass could shatter. I'm going to give you 1 beat. The glass could shatter. Good. And again, so 1 beat. The glass could shatter. Right. Okay. So if you can alternate with this little tutorial with the karaoke track starting at 44 seconds in, and then, or with the singer starting at 44 seconds in, and then the karaoke track at 50 seconds in, that will help you to hopefully memorize exactly where that pitch falls and the distance between the beginning pitch and the destination pitch. All right, any questions?
No.
Great job. 2 thumbs up for Ellie. And also rain. It's raining today, so this is a perfect song.